perhaps when they come up with specific, when they identify specific activities, that's the time where they can determine the budget needed to implement such activity. Secondly, the ASEAN Secretariat does not have money. ASEAN Secretariat does not provide fund, but the ASEAN Secretariat can help you find fund. We don't have money, but we know where the money, where we can find the money. But getting the money would be difficult unless you will come up with very good proposal that will attract the attention of the donor. I also have many observations on the proposal, but this is very good. But I would like to point out, maybe this is for information of all other clubs programs, on the expected output. You see, yesterday I differentiated